Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon Comprehend. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is natural language processing? What is Amazon Comprehend? Amazon Comprehend Insights, Amazon Comprehend Custom, how it works, topic modeling. What is natural language processing? Natural language processing is a way for computers to analyze, understand and derive meaning from textual information in a smart and useful way. Key aspects of NLP include: first one, text analysis, which is the ability to analyze textual information; comprehension, which is understanding the content and context of text; meaning extraction, which refers to deriving meaningful insights from text. NLP enables the extraction of various elements from text such as important phrases, sentiments, syntax, key entities such as brand, date, location and person, and the language of the text. So what is Amazon Comprehend? Amazon Comprehend uses natural language processing (NLP) to extract insights about the content of documents. This advanced technology allows for deep understanding of text data. It develops insights by recognizing entities, key phrases, language, sentiments and other common elements in a document. This comprehensive analysis provides a thorough understanding of the text content. Use Amazon Comprehend to create new products based on understanding the structure of documents. For example, you can search social networking feeds for product mentions or scan entire document repositories for key phrases, enabling innovative applications of text analysis. You can access Amazon Comprehend's document analysis capabilities using either the Comprehend console for a user-friendly interface or the Amazon Comprehend APIs for programmatic access, providing flexibility for different user needs. Amazon Comprehend offers two types of analysis: real-time analysis for small workloads, providing quick results, and asynchronous analysis jobs for large document sets, allowing for processing of substantial amounts of data. You can use the pre-trained models that Amazon Comprehend provides for immediate use, or you can train your own custom models for classification and entity recognition, tailoring the analysis to your specific needs. All Amazon Comprehend features accept UTF-8 text documents as input. Additionally, custom classification and custom entity recognition can process image files, PDF files and Word files, expanding the range of document types that can be analyzed. Amazon Comprehend can examine and analyze documents in a variety of languages depending on the specific feature. This multilingual capability makes it versatile for global applications. Amazon Comprehend may store your content to continuously improve the quality of its pre-trained models. This ongoing refinement ensures that the service becomes more accurate and effective over time. So here we'll see what are these insights that are available, and these are the types of insights. So Amazon Comprehend uses a pre-trained model to examine and analyze a document or a set of documents to gather insights about it. This model is continuously trained on a large body of text so that there is no need for you to provide training data. Amazon Comprehend analyzes the following types of insights. First one, entities, which is references to the names of people, places, items and locations contained in a document. Next is key phrases, phrases that appear in a document. For example, a document about a basketball game might return the names of the teams, the name of the venue and the final score. Then personally identifiable information, PII, personal data that can identify an individual such as an address, bank account number or phone number. The language, the dominant language present in a document. Sentiment, the dominant sentiment of a document, which can be positive, neutral, negative or mixed. Targeted sentiment, the sentiments associated with the specific entities in a document. The sentiment for each entity occurrence can be positive, negative, neutral or mixed. The syntax, the parts of speech for each word in the document. So let's see Amazon Comprehend Custom. So you can actually build custom models also using this custom feature. So you can customize Amazon Comprehend for your specific requirements without the skill set required to build machine learning based NLP solutions. Using automatic machine learning or AutoML, Amazon Comprehend custom builds customized NLP models on your behalf using data you already have. So in this case, you already have a pre-trained model, but you will be providing your own data to build your own custom model on top of the pre-trained model. Custom classification. Create custom classification models known as classifiers to organize your documents into your own categories. Custom entity recognition. Create custom entity recognition models known as recognizers that can analyze text for your specific terms and noun-based phrases. So how it works? Pre-trained model. So Amazon Comprehend uses a pre-trained model to gather insights about a document or a set of documents. This model is continuously trained on a large body of text so that there is no need for you to provide training data. Custom models. You can use Amazon Comprehend to build your own custom models for custom classification and custom entity recognition. You can use flywheels to help manage the custom model. So this we have already seen in the previous slide, the custom model part. Topic modeling. Amazon Comprehend provides topic modeling using a built-in model. Topic modeling examines a corpus of documents and organizes the documents based on similar keywords within them. Document processing modes. Amazon Comprehend provides synchronous and asynchronous document processing modes. Use synchronous mode for processing one document or a batch of up to 25 documents. Use an asynchronous job to process a large number of documents. Enhanced encryption. So Amazon Comprehend works with AWS Key Management Service KMS to provide enhanced encryption for your data. Next is topic modeling. So you can use Amazon Comprehend to examine the content of a collection of documents to determine common themes. For example, you can give Amazon Comprehend a collection of news articles and it will determine the subjects such as sports, politics or entertainment. The text in the documents does not need to be annotated. So there is no requirement to be provide annotation. So it uses some algorithm called as latent Dirichlet allocation LDA. Amazon Comprehend uses a latent Dirichlet Amazon Comprehend uses a latent Dirichlet allocation based learning model to determine the topics in a set of documents. It examines each document to determine the context and meaning of a word. The set of words that frequently belong to the same context across the entire document set make up a topic. So this is something which is like how it works like internally. So there is an internal algorithm or a model which it uses, and this is a pretty famous model actually for word association and you have a bunch of corpus of text and how to put them in different categories. So this is a well-known algorithm or a model. Okay, word topic association. A word is associated to a topic in a document based on how prevalent that topic is in a document and how much affinity the topic has to the word. The same word can be associated with different topics in different documents based on the topic distribution in a particular document. For example, the word glucose in an article that talks predominantly about sports can be assigned to the topic sports, while the same word in an article about medicine will be assigned to the topic medicine. Then word weight. Each word associated with a topic is given a weight that indicates how much the word helps define the topic. The weight is an indication of how many times the word occurs in the topic compared to other words in the topic across the entire document set. And that's all. Thanks for watching.